Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove any labels on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, to remove labels, they need to be placed by you, and labels such as landmarks, businesses, and other locations cannot be removed by you, and they can only be removed, I'm pretty sure, by Google themselves. Now, if you want to remove tags or labels such as this, you can very easily just click somewhere else and it'll remove it. If you select a business or a location, you can click the X in the search bar and that'll close down the tag as well. However, if you have your own business labeled somewhere here and you want to delete it, you can freely just find it and delete it yourself from the options and the settings. However, you can also contact Google support if you're having any other trouble. Now, I'll move over to your maps on Google Maps for a second. And as you can see, you have these labels right over here. These are points that I have set up across the map of New York. These are just unnamed points. Well, at least 4 of them are unnamed, or 3 of them. I have one that is named, which is just, well, my place, but it's not actually my place. And yeah, you can very easily delete these labels as well. You can drag them around if you so wish. However, if you wish to delete them, just hover over them, right click them, and click delete, and they'll delete themselves from the layer they are currently in. And that is pretty much all there is to it. You can undo these changes if you want to, or if you're sure. Oh yeah, by the way, you can just click on them and press the trash can as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Those are the only ways in which you can delete any sort of label on Google Maps. It's pretty much the only options you have. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.